Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. I have the monthly reading for y'all guys in my other channel, and I have shared the video link in the description. So if you are interested for the month of July, you can watch that monthly reading, Leos. So these are the cards for your general energy. If you want more clarity after watching this, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Cups in reverse, Empress in reverse, and the Hangman in reverse. So in your circumstances, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have you are having some doubts or confusion in your mind, something not happening as expected, maybe in your circumstances. You are someone who is really responsible, dedicated. So whatever you do it with that positive intention, you do it with clarity. But maybe in certain things today, guys, there is a lot of confusion. You don't know how things will go or what will be the right way to handle your circumstances. So maybe in your work you lack clarity, and people are not like you, people you work with. So they are quite selfish and adamant about certain things. They don't want to uh, be flexible like you guys. That may be the reason for some troubles in your work situation or in this relationship. Maybe this person is not uh, really like you. Maybe they love you. You may have a level of understanding and trust, but something is missing in this relationship. You feel that they are not like you. Maybe you are dedicated, devoted this person. They may not reciprocate that level of loyalty and trustworthiness in this love, and you are quite confused. You don't know where this person stands. So what is their idea for being in this connection, or what is their intention, or what are their plans for the future? You lack clarity maybe, and some kind of confusion is there in your heart. You don't know where things will go in this relationship, in this love. And for some of you, you may feel that they are holding back something from you. They are not telling you something. Maybe it may be something they have in their mind, maybe their intentions or their feelings, or it may even be some secrets they have. So they are trying to avoid telling you something, guys. That may be the reason they are not ready to meet you, or they are simply avoiding you completely. So instead of giving you the answer, the reason for their behavior, they are just avoiding you and avoiding this difficult circumstance. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Hermit. Maybe they are thinking of the right way to tell you the truth today, guys. So you love this person and you expect certain things, and even they love you, maybe, guys. That is the reason they are waiting to tell you the truth. but it is quite difficult for them also, guys. So revealing something about themselves is going to be a very difficult task. That may be the reason we have this card here. So they are thinking about it, how to do it. But with these cards here, guys, I see that whatever you are facing right now, maybe some confusion, doubts, or they are telling you some secrets, whatever it is, your situation is going to end in a happy way. You are going to find that understanding and you are going to console each other. So you will find clarity, Leos. That is what I feel with these cards. So for your career situation, we have Page of Pentacles. So in your work situation, you are someone who has that skills and talents, and today you may be getting a good news, guys, positive news in your work, something coming up, something bringing happiness, some offers, opportunities for success is reaching you today, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Leos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading, guys. And Leos, please watch the monthly reading in my other channel. So I have given the link in the description. You can watch that, guys. So thanks again, guys. Bye, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.